I mean, a normal 911 has seats.
I was gonna
I
say
just hit a squirrel.
that was a squirrel. We may have found the coolest thing ever. You think that that Rimac's got full PPF on it? I don't want to go within a few feet of it. Honestly, I'm a little nervous. You want to hit a quick Google for us? We were just chilling at Cars and Coffee, and then this guy pulls up, and we're like, "Whoa, we gotta go see what that's all about." And then I saw the McLaren, and then I saw something. I saw the side profile of this Rimac Nevera, and I was like, "No, there's no way." Sure enough, ladies and gents, there was a way. First one I've seen in person. So sick.
2.2 million.
That's a pretty penny. Dude, I didn't even see this stuff at Woodward. I think I saw one 765 LT at Woodward all weekend.
That's weird. Because I feel like you go down to anywhere on Birmingham on Woodward.
I know.
During the week or weekend, you'll see cars like that.
Right. I mean, we saw some Lambos. We saw some like
I was down there in
Aventadors.
June when I went to Out of Office Garage. Just saw crazy stuff everywhere.
Yeah. Well, they had like a couple new 992 GT3 RSs.
Yeah, I saw that.
And like an SF90.
Platinum in their parking lot had
Dude.
crazy stuff. But
Yeah, but
just rolling around.
what in the world? Somebody's actually putting miles on this.
It's crazy. It's like blue and purple carbon.
And it's in Traverse City, Michigan with a 30-car Cars and Coffee.
MSO on the seats.
Yeah, this thing's not getting enough love. Just chilling in the middle.
I wish the sun was out.
I know, you
That
can kinda
carbon
see it
is,
here.
like, so blue.
Jeez. I can't believe this showed up. I was like not filming it either. Oh, cool, another Cars and Coffee. I'll get my donut before work.
Yeah.
And then just the coolest supercar sighting of the year. Well, that's why I doubted myself, because I saw the front end. I'm like, oh, it looks like a
I knew it was
Rimac.
a hypercar. Like, I was like, that's either like an Apollo or something like that I don't even recognize.
Right? Jeez, dude.
Like, you said clone signs. Yeah, you did. Sure. Factory said clone signs in the showroom.
Right. My first thought was this car, though. I'm like, no, there's no way. There's 150 of them.
So
Oh my gosh. It's electric and 1914 horsepower. And then we've got the white Lambo chilling over there. Well, at first I thought they were all going to park next to it, because I was like, wait a minute. I'm like, no, that makes sense. I think if they parked next to my car, it would have raised the Kelly Blue Book by like 20 grand. We're just talking about 0 to 60 on this car. 1.74 seconds. Matt Watson from Car Wow has the world record in this car. Yeah, because he's such a little dude, so they did like a quarter mile in it. So to give some perspective, this Cars and Coffee is not that big. Like, there's maybe 20, 25 spots over there, and then my car's chilling over here. Evan parked his truck over yonder because he didn't even want to like be with the other cars. And these guys show up. Absolutely rolling deep. What a crazy little treat. Standing quarter mile, 171. Not even a prep surface, it's just on like a airstrip.
Yeah.
Holy moly. The one thing I'm looking at is this like lighting setup on the back here.
Yeah, Hawaii.
I don't know quite what the deal is, but it's like pulsating. A more up close look.
Yeah, really simple interior.
Wow. I didn't even like holding my phone over it. That was sketchy. Look at all that carbon.
The entire
You can
bumper
actually
stuff.
see it pretty well here.
Here you get a better view of this. I feel like we were greatly disrespecting the 765 LT that's over here.
Purple carbon.
One of the coolest specs McLaren I've ever seen, and then just getting overshadowed. Can we take a peek at the fuel economy here?
53 city miles per gallon and 54 highway.
It's not every day I'm flabbergasted by cars. That one was so sick. Like, we had a McLaren 765 LT there with some nutty carbon fiber. It is the fastest production car in the world. Quarter mile, I believe is still held by Matt Watson. Could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. 8.62 seconds at 171 miles an hour. What an absolute treat to see that in person today. So weird. It literally, that was a small Cars and Coffee event. It's their weekly, maybe 25 cars there. And those dudes roll up like, what? Absolutely wild start to the weekend. It's Friday morning. We are headed to M22 Detailing. We have a little rally, kind of mini cruise, I guess you could say. So meeting up there, that's kind of the launch point. It looks like we're gonna be actually a bit early, which is great. Get to see all the cars roll in. Probably gonna be just pretty chill, tame drive. I will be co-piloting the Porsche 911 GT3 Touring, which is always exciting. Such a fun, beautiful car. I believe the itinerary for today is cruise up the Leelanau Peninsula, and then our end is somewhere with like pizza. There's not much better to do on a Saturday than rip some supercars and eat some pizza. So that's absolutely what we'll be doing. We'll catch you guys here in a bit when we get to the shop. This is the ride for today. It's a little windy, hope you can hear me. And then you may notice something's up with the S5. One, the car is sold, and two, it doesn't have a front end because it's getting repainted, and we actually have a grill on the way for this car. So once that's all buttoned up, I think I'm gonna film like a kind of last video with this thing, go over all the mods, maybe do a couple videos. I think it deserves it, definitely. Keep an eye out. I know people on the channel love this car. This is a fun one. I know you guys like the 4.0T content. What a treat. We get to co-pilot the GT3 Touring. We got a Porsche 911 this weekend. We had a Lamborghini Urus last weekend. We're spoiled. The viewers are the ones spoiled. And ladies and gents, it's a manual. We got the RS3 out front, leading the pack. And behind, it's a little RS3 sandwich, my friends. Followed up by a big American. Is that a little S4?
Yeah.
A4? Something like that.
I saw
He's trying to catch up.
I saw a supercharged badge.
You late to the party, man? Oh, let's go! He just picked him up.
Already.
Oh my goodness! Where's he going? Free rollers, my boy. Oh, here he comes. Here comes a flyby. Head nod of approval.
See you later, brother.
Yeah, that 6 is looking thick. That's nice. I dig that. Dude, that fitment's crazy. Yeah, that's got to get lowered.
Yeah,
and
dude,
maybe a diffuser?
Yeah, a diffuser would be wild.
Maybe some exhaust? This is why I can't,
the AWE exhaust just we ordered it in May. It was supposed to come August 13th. They just pushed that back to November 13th.
For this car?
Or October 13th.
Or
yeah,
for Jay's?
For that.
Whoa.
We ordered it in May.
October?
Yep. 2 more months. They pushed it back on the day it was scheduled to, or saying estimated to arrive.
That is nuts.
It is coming, and it is going to sound ridiculous.
It's the touring version, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the APR 2.
Oh, yeah. No, that's all you need.
Obviously, the cars literally just got louder with the 2 because it has more like valve
right
regulation.
We got quite the nice little lineup here. All the cars right up front. Edge up front, leading the group.
Yeah.
This lady's on her phone. That's crazy. So am I, but I'm not driving. I'm not driving a 3-ton truck.
Yeah.
I guess there's a little more room in this. It's kind of...
Oh, this car's way bigger than a...
You can fit...
Cayman. I mean, a normal 911 has seats.
I was going to say...
I just hit a squirrel.
That was a squirrel? I was going to say, like, I hope it wasn't a rock.
That was a squirrel.
Rest in peace.
That's awesome.
What the... 'Tis the season. It's not quite like October yet, but we got
seats
the
touring.
Oh, what?
Yes.
So we got heated seats and windows down. It's that perfect temperature. Yeah, beauty of a day. A little overcast, but you know what they say.
What do they
What do they say? They say
Good
better.
tank to be in the car.
They say it's beats a day. Better than a day not.
Tail of the dragon.
Ladies and gents, we've made it. I like the SQ8. That thing is nice. And the exhaust tips will never get dirty because they're fake.
No, they're not. Not on that.
On the SQ?
No, not on that. Not
Really?
on the V8s, no.
Oh.
If you get a V8, you get real exhaust tips.
Oh, really? Well, he's keeping those nice and clean. Yeah, I see it now. All right. Ladies and gents, second dinosaur of the video. What a treat. Ladies and gentlemen, wrapping up the video, we had some fun in the GT3 touring. What a fun car. One squirrel was collateral damage for the fun, spirited drive we had, but rest up, little homie. He's up there in heaven somewhere, doing squirrel things, I'm sure, chomping on some fat nuts in heaven. I feel like that string of words just shouldn't be together. Regardless, let's head to where we're going. This place is super cool. I think you guys have seen it in some videos before, but in case you haven't, there's a lookout up here where you can see both sides of the water. We're on a peninsula right now, so it kind of splits. It's a pretty cool view, so I figured why not go check it out. We're on the way there anyways. Looks like some tomfoolery and shenanigans happened here. The local boys and gals are out having some fun. Figured I'd stop here though. Like, what a freaking view. Holy moly. You see water on that side and on that side. Not too shabby. You can see behind me, we've got another nice sunset out today. Ladies and gents, thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new, hit subscribe, hit the like button for that algorithm. Until next time, we'll see ya.